welcome back to Van Loan Garage. Well, we are getting ready to have some nasty weather here in Kansas. It's getting ready to, here in a couple of days, it's getting ready to drop down to about 18 degrees. And so, as you know, we've been working really hard on this Chevelle back here behind me, doing some upgrading and everything to this engine block. And I was sitting in the house the other night, and I got a text from Justin, and he said, you know, Heather, I was thinking you should probably go out there and you should test the antifreeze in that car and make sure it's good. And I thought, oh my gosh. And it started reminding me that Tim would always tease me when we lived in El Dorado, because our house that we lived in out in the Flint Hills, you know, we had this car out in the garage, and he would always say, get out there, hurry up, you know, make sure that antifreeze is good in the car. You don't want your engine block to crack. And he would just give me such a hard time. And so I instantly felt him just on my shoulder, and I went into panic mode when I was reading Justin's text, like, oh my gosh, my engine's gonna crack, you know? And I felt him laughing, of course, because I'm thinking of all of these times and the house in El Dorado and him laughing and good times. So here we are today in this garage and I'm out here testing the antifreeze, and guess what? It tested bad. It's not good. Look where we're at. Can y'all see that? Ooh, we tested really bad. We're too acidic, y'all. So now I am going to put some water in, and I'm going to start it up, and I'm going to drive it. I don't have any way of pulling any of the antifreeze out here at the house, so I'm going to actually put some water in, because I'm about 3 to 4 inches, give or take, low. So I'm going to put some water in. I am going to start it up. I'm going to drive it over to Justin's house. We're going to pull out some of this nasty antifreeze, and then we're going to dilute it down and put some water in it and get it testing good. So we're good, and we don't have any problems gelling up and cracking an engine block, because then guess what? Then we're going to be in a whole different area there. But, you know, maybe that'd be a good thing, right? Because some of you are thinking it. Oh, Heather, you move up to a big boy, big block. I know y'all are thinking it. So let's go. Let's get her fired up, and let's get to moving. Moment of truth. We're getting ready to go down the road. These two are back in for their second ride down.
Hi.
We're going over.
My name is Noah.
Noah and Jason, they know. Yeah. We're getting ready to go down the road over to Justin's house here. We got to pull some of this nasty antifreeze out.
Yeah,
And we got to put some water in and get it diluted down. So here we go down the road. Justin's house. Okay, so guess what? He has his nice fancy little tester here behind me. What brand is this, Justin? Nexton. Okay, so we are going to put it in the Chevelle and let's see if we get the same results. What do y'all think?
Close to 5, so 5 on here in Fahrenheit's negative 34.
So it's testing okay.
Testing good.
It's testing good on his. Ooh. So my little tester that I have is junk. We're testing fine. We're good to go. Oh, thank God. We're not going to have a cracked block. So we've been idling high too, you guys. So see how it dropped back down? Just that fast idle linkage was up. So that's why it's been idling really high. Which makes sense. Yeah.
But that thing kind of, it went down on its own though.
Yeah. Once it warmed up, then it went down. Yeah.
Just like we see what that does before.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, thank goodness the antifreeze is good. Thank God on that. We don't have to change anything. We don't have to drain anything. Thank God on that, right? Yeah, just go for a drive.
Hello, Master. You fix that slow. You fix that squeaky noise. What, Noah? There is a white idea. So I'm
All right, y'all. So we are back home with Sally. All is good. Our antifreeze ended up testing good after all. So pretty happy about that. So pretty much we just took her out and just went for a little ride today with the boys. So always good to get the car out and go for a ride. Stop messing with that light, Jason. Always good to go for a little, stop messing with that light, Jason. Always good to go for a ride with the boys. So fun ride. Stop messing with the light. Always fun to go for a ride in the car. So anyways, if you have your cars and you're, stop shining the light in my eyes. Anyways, if you live in a state where it gets really cold, just make sure to check your engine box and be on top of that, because you don't want to be in panic mode like I was today. Freaking out, thinking, you know, that your engine could break in half, and you're screwed, you know, if it comes to that. So, Jason, stop doing that. Until the next time, you guys, we'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. Thanks for supporting our family. And we'll see you on the next one.